Yes, let's get started. Hello and welcome everyone to another video on the channel. It's the first video of the year 2022, and for that I would like to wish you all a healthy and happy new year, of course. 2021, well, another COVID year, I would say. It went very fast, in my opinion. My personal life and my private life, on work issues, and so it went by like a fast train. So I'm happy it is behind us. Let's look forward into the future in 2022, and let's hope this year COVID will not be as much in our life like the past 2 years. I surely hope so, but because this is also the reason why I didn't have a lot of time to make videos for you guys or to edit them, because it takes time to set up cameras and to edit it afterwards. So yeah, sorry for that, guys. I cannot do anything about it. It's like that. I try to do my best, and I've put out some videos, I think around 14 this year. Normally I do 2 videos a month. I didn't get that goal last year, but it is what it is. And I will try to do my best in the upcoming year for you guys. For now, let's start with the summary of the year 2021. It was a good year on flying purposes. I flew around 24.51 minutes to be exact, so around 25 hours. That's not bad for a COVID year. I had years with a bit more, but on an average it's a good amount of time flying general aviation. I flew a lot but didn't film a lot, like I explained before. Personal issues and a lot of work on the private side took a big chunk out of the time I had to set up cameras, and so I will not go into detail of that. But yeah, 25 hours. We visited around 10 destinations in these hours, and it took around 23 flights. In the 10 destinations we did, I have nothing special to report. It's the destinations we are used to go, like Le Touquet or Medzeeland. I think we had 2 new destinations, which were 2 in Germany. I didn't have the opportunity to film it, but it were nice flights, around 1 hour and around 2 hours 30 each. But it is what it is. 25 hours, 23 flights and 10 destinations. That is what I did on the TB20. And I also had the opportunity to fly a helicopter, not to fly it myself, but I had the opportunity to be the co-pilot, or the radio man as you can call it. And that for about 12 hours. It took all place in the same Robinson 44, the Oscar, or Oscar triple Oscar, as we like to call it. It's a nice black Robinson 44, and we visited around 7 destinations spread over France, Belgium and the Netherlands. So yeah, that is a little bit the stats of 2021. 25 hours on the general aviation in the TB20 and 12 hours in the helicopter. Let's talk now a little bit of the goals we have set in 2021 and which of them we have actually met. And it will be a real funny one. Actually, all the goals we have set in 2021, I didn't met them. Unfortunately, I was not able to do them, all due to COVID. We had the cinema fly-in and Texel cancelled due to COVID. We had some events, open doors and fly-ins during the summer. I think all of them were cancelled due to COVID. Oshkosh, another thing. It's the second time in a row we had to cancel Oshkosh. Not because we didn't want to go, but simply because we were not allowed to travel to the United States from Europe. So there was a travel ban, so we had to cancel Oshkosh again. But we will talk about Oshkosh a little bit further down this video. Night rating, well, it is not really cancelled, but due to COVID and planning reasons, it was not possible in 2021. But we will start the night rating in this year. But also about the night rating, I will get into that a little bit further down in this video. To be honest, no goals were met that we had set in 2021. Not all my fault, but simply due to COVID. So we will try to make some new goals in 2021. Correction, 2022. So about the new goals I would like to set in this year, 2022. Of course, I would like to visit the Cinema Texel Fly-In. It's normally an annual event that we always participate. It's something we did from in the beginning, so it's holy ground for us. It's an event we don't want to skip. It's planned at the end of April, I think. I will leave a link here somewhere so you can visit the website and have a look yourself. If you are from Europe and in the vicinity of the Netherlands, it's surely an event that you would like to visit and participate. The North Cape, that was also a goal in 2021. That is normally foreseen in 2022, but I'm not sure that we will go through with it. All of that has to do with the COVID. I'm not sure that this summer everything will be back to normal again, and if we do such a trip, I want to be sure that we can travel without any restrictions or so. So stay tuned for the North Cape. For now, I will put it into the goals of 2022, but it's not certain that we will push through, and otherwise we will postpone it to 23 or 24. We will see. Of course, fly-ins, open doors at different airports here in Belgium. For example, the Kiewit fly-in and the Kehu fly-in. Those are my favorite ones to participate. Also Zursel, so we need to have a look at that if it will be organized this year. I surely want to do the Tour de Belgique, of the Tour of Belgium in the aircraft. We would like to start in Kortrijk, Wevelgem, and then go all around the Belgian borders to end back in Kortrijk, and we will do that in 1 or 2 days. We have to look at that. Night rating, like discussed before, if it all goes well, by the time this video goes online, I will be in the night VFR course. Already started my practical part, so stay tuned for that. Maybe I can show you some footage or make a vlog about that. I need to discuss that with the flight instructor. And last but not least, let's talk a little bit about Oshkosh. So as discussed before, it will not happen this year. We cancelled it last year, but due to several reasons, we need to rebook all the airline tickets, and that's a big issue. It's not easy to do that. For that reason, we decided not to go to Oshkosh this year, but we found a worthy new event, and that's Sun and Fun in Tampa, Florida. So instead of going to Oshkosh in the summer, we are participating beginning of April, Sun and Fun. So stay tuned for that. I will make another video about the plans and so for Sun and Fun. So I think those are the goals for 2022. I hope that COVID allows us to go through with those goals, but we will see. Nothing is certain, but we can only hope for the best. There are also other possibilities in 2022 that are on the agenda, and one of those possibilities are me entering again a flying club. I hear you thinking, why should you do that? You're flying the TB20. Yes, of course. I have the opportunity to fly the TB20. It's a private owned aircraft. so the operation cost is pretty high. And for those reasons, I decided to make myself a member in a flying club, whether it's Kortrijk, Coxede, or another flying club in Belgium. I have to decide that. Still, I'm not sure which one to take, but I mainly do that to make sure I can fly with family, friends, colleagues, or maybe one of you guys if I should organize a giveaway. It's much easier to do via a flying club and rent an aircraft than going on the TB20. These flights are mainly reserved for Dirk and myself, so that's something that is on the agenda. Dirk is also foreseeing a new upgrade on the instrument panel in the TB20, so if he allows me to make a video about that, we certainly do that, so you guys can follow the nice upgrade that is foreseen in the TB20. Yeah, for the rest I think it's all set. If you should have any suggestions or things you would like to see, please leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer them and look if we can work something out. So yeah, give me some suggestions. And last but not least, I would like to thank some people in my life who are making things possible. For starters, I would like to thank Dirk, of course. It's an honor and a pleasure to fly your TB20. I cannot express enough how humble I feel and how thankful I am that I have the opportunity to fly this beautiful baby. So Dirk, thank you for that. Of course, your girlfriend Kathleen, I know she is a big part of it also. So Dirk, Kathleen, thank you for that. And hopefully we can go on nice adventures in 2022. Tuur, I want to thank Tuur for the opportunity he gave me to fly in helicopters. Tuur is the man who invites me to the Sarlat airport. It's the second time. Last year we flew a helicopter from Belgium to Sarlat in France. So Tuur, thank you that you gave me this opportunity to participate in such adventures. You're the best. Thank you, man. Delphine, I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your baby, the Oscar. It's it's the Robinson 44 helicopter. It's a pleasure to fly with you as your radio man, as you call it. But Delphine, I want to thank you that you gave me the opportunity to be a part of the flights we did. I think we flew around 12 hours like discussed in the beginning of the movie. We did 7 different destinations. Yeah, thank you for that. Dieter, thank you. I know you often fly the Oscar, Triple Oscar, and I had the opportunity to go along with you on nice trips like Texel and Le Touquet. So Dieter, thank you. And of course, last but not least, my wife, Kelly. I want to thank you for letting me be a part of aviation. I know I'm a lot away from home on flying trips and adventures, sometimes one day, sometimes more than one day. So thank you, my love, that I be able to do that without you making me feel bad. So I love you very much. And yeah, I think this was the short introduction for 2022 and a summary of 2021. So if you do like the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, it means a lot to me, it helps growing the channel. Hit the notification bell and click all notifications to be notified of upcoming videos. And yeah, if you want to, please share this content with friends and family who are also interested in aviation content, so the channel can grow. For now, I think I said everything, and yeah, we will see you on the next one. Happy New Year. Bye bye.